Welcome to my channel. Tenda A9 Range Extender Mobile Setup Quick 192.168.0.254 Configuration. Take your Tenda A9 extender out of the box and plug it into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Make sure it's in a spot where the router signal is strong. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green. This means the extender is ready for configuration. On your smartphone, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the network named Tenda_EXT. It's the default network from your extender. Open your mobile browser, Chrome, Safari, or any browser, and in the address bar, type 192.168.0.254 and hit enter. You'll see the Tenda setup page. Log in using the default password admin and tap the login button. The extender will scan for all nearby Wi-Fi networks. From the list, select your main home Wi-Fi name, SSID. Enter your main Wi-Fi password exactly as it is, be careful with capital and small letters. Then tap Next. The Tenda A9 will connect to your router and automatically reboot. Wait for the process to complete, it usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Once rebooted, unplug the extender and place it at a midpoint halfway between your router and the area where you have weak signal. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi list again, connect to the new extended Wi-Fi name, and enjoy a faster, stronger internet connection throughout your home.